Hey friends, we're back with another applying percents lesson, but this one's on commission. So, some of you may know what commission is, some of you may not. Commission is a sum of money that is paid to an employee upon completion of a task, usually the task of selling a certain amount of goods or services. It can be paid as a percentage of the sale or as a flat dollar amount based on sales volume. We are practicing percents, so the commissions we're working with today are only percent based, okay? So this one's a little different than everything else we've been doing though. That's why percent increase and percent decrease aren't a vocab piece here. We're still gonna use a percent of change, but the thing is, commission is not an increase or a decrease. Okay, this whole part does not apply. When someone gets commission and it's based off of a percent, they only get a percent of their sales in this case, not just a price, okay? So the only things we need to do in order to find the commission here is convert the percent to a decimal and multiply the decimal by the original. All right, let's get to it. So since this isn't a percent increase or a percent decrease, we're going to do some fun colors. Why not? It says here that Danielle earns 7.25% commission on everything she sells at the electronics store where she works. How much did she earn last week? She sold $4,500 in electronics merchandise. So I've got our steps over there, and we don't need that find the new amount because it's commission. So I'm only following the first steps. Find the percent of the number. Convert the percent to a decimal. I can see the decimal right there, so I got to be careful. Move it once, move it twice. There isn't a number there, so I'm going to have to add a 0. So I'm going to do 0.0725 times the original, which is her sales cost here. Her sales prices? No, how much she earned in sales? The company earned $4,500. That's how much money she earned in the electronics store. So they're rewarding her by giving her that 7.25% of what she sold. So I'm using my calculator. 0.0725 times 4,500. And that gives me $326.25. This is money, so if I didn't have the 2 decimal places, I would have to round or maybe even add zeros. But that's the amount of money that Danielle earned off that $4,500 she got the company. Sorry, I was trying to figure out the best way to say that. That's commission. Commission's kind of nice because you don't have to find the new amount. It's only the percent of the number. Unless for some reason they also get paid a certain amount per week, per month, then that would be an extra part of the word problem. But for straightforward commission, it's just converting that percent to a decimal and multiplying the decimal by the original. All right, remember to reach out if you have any questions. Bye.